Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS class. Mercedes-Benz made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It includes leather upholstery, automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10-gigabyte hard drive, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.